how to edit a community picture in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can edit the profile picture of your Microsoft Teams community. So if you would wish to add a profile picture on your Microsoft Teams community, then you can easily follow these simple steps. So let me demonstrate. So the first thing that we're going to do is click onto this communities tab over the left hand side, and once we do that, it will show you all of the communities that you are a part of, and you can choose that particular community in which you want to add an image. So for example, let's say I want to add an image for this particular community who's currently is showing just the initials. So if you wish to add a profile picture right here, what you can do is simply click onto these three dots over its name, and once you do this, a menu appears, and in this menu you'll need to select edit community. So once you click on edit community, you can see the profile picture right here. So click onto this edit button again and choose any new profile picture that you would like. So for example, let's say I've selected this image. I'm gonna click onto this open button, and now you can see that a new image has been successfully added to this community. Then I'll click onto the save button and wait for the changes to get applied, and once the changes get applied, the picture will be changed for this community. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was easy for you and you were able to change your community images as well. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.